Good afternoon, students. I'm Rana Khalil from Al Bashair Typical Academy. Today we will continue our last lesson, Treasures of the Earth. We will answer questions on Students Book, page number 19, and Activity Book, page number 15. So, first we will start with the questions, then we will have grammar lesson. It's about modal verbs, okay? First of all, open your student's book, page number 19, okay? Student's book, page number 19. Let's remember, the last lesson. It was an interview between radio interviewer and Salim and Tariq. They were talking about treasures of the earth, about names of some stones, precious stones like ruby, al-yaqut, amber, kahraman, diamond, almas, emerald, zumurrud, pearl. What pearl is? Pearl, al-lu'lu. Okay? So, and each one of these stones has its own specialist, okay, or characteristics, has its own characteristics, khasa'is, and these characteristics helps us to know what is the name of this stone. For example, ruby is red, deep red, but amber is often yellow color. Diamond has no color, excellent. And emerald, it's usually green, excellent. And pearl, it grows inside an oyster, اللي هو اللؤلؤ. Now we will answer this question according to the explanation we have: emerald, ruby, amber, pearl, diamond. Think about each one of them. Number 1, what color is it? And number 2, 3, 4, and 5. I'll give you a second to think about them. Okay, I suppose that you have learned them. 1, ruby, 2, amber, 3, pearl, 4, emerald, and 5, diamond. Okay, now I will talk about them again. Ruby, this one is ruby because it's what? It's deep red, excellent. This one is amber. Why it's amber? Because it has a yellow color, excellent. And this one is pearl because it grows inside of an oyster, excellent. This one emerald because it's green, and diamond has no color, excellent. Now go to the questions of the comprehension questions of the text. Read and listen to the quiz again and answer the questions. 1. Which precious stone is formed within a type of an animal, a marine animal, داخل حيوان, okay? 2. Which precious stone is found in all continents except for one, موجود في كل القارات إلا واحدة. Which one? According to the dialogue. 3. What are the characteristics of an emerald? إيش خصائصه? 4. What other treasures of earth can you think of? إيش في عندنا كمان كنوز موجودة في الأرض؟ هذا it's about for you, okay? Explain. Okay, think about the questions. Now I've answered the questions to you. Read and listen the quiz again. Inside a marine or within a type of a marine animal, pearl. Excellent. Which precious stone found in all continents except one? It's what? Diamond. Okay. What are the characteristics? خصائص. Characteristics. خصائص emerald. 3. What are the characteristics of an emerald? It's usually green or pale blue. أزرق فاتح أو أخضر. What other treasures can you think of? Explain on earth. I think oil اللي هو النفط يا مش الزيت. oil النفط. It's a treasure because we have a lot of wars happened because of oil. You can explain. I've answered this question for you. If you have another answer, you can write it. And I didn't write the explanation. I didn't write the explanation. You can think of it. I give you a clue and you can think of it. Okay? Now open your activity box, page number 15. Go to question number 1. Okay? This is question number 1, vocabulary. Reorder the letters to find the names of 5 jewels using the given clues. A brown fossilized resin. This is what this? The letters of the word. أحرف الكلمة يا مس مخربطة. يعني أنت لو ما طلعت على المعنى تقدر تستطيع إنك you can find the answer through what? The letters of the word. What's this? It's amber. Okay, right? Amber. 2. A green stone. What's this? Emerald. Excellent. Emerald. A white stone. What's this? The letters of the word. Diamond. Excellent. Diamond. What's this? A red stone. Ruby. Excellent. Ruby. This. Found in a shell. موجود داخل صدفة. What's this? Excellent. It's pearl. It's pearl. It's pearl. Now we will start our grammar lesson. Our grammar lesson is about modal verbs. Okay? It's about modal verbs. First, we will know what are the modal verbs. The modal verbs are verbs, we call them أفعال ناقصة or أفعال مساعدة. Okay? They help us to get the meaning and they have more than one meaning. يعني أغلب الكلمات فيها تستخدم لأكثر من استخدام وتعطينا أحيانا أكثر من معنى. أوكي؟ عشان هيك سميناها modal verbs. لكن هاي الأفعال يا مس إلها صفة مميزة إنه all the verbs after them are base. إيش يعني base يا مس؟ أفعال مجردة. دائما الفعل بعد هاي الكلمات فعل مجرد. excellent. الفعل بعد المودال verbs فعل مجرد وتأتي مع جميع الضمائر. مع I, we, they, you, he, she, it. أوكي؟ مع جميع الضمائر والفعل بعدها يا مس فعل مجرد. What are they? can, could. may كان يستطيع could استطاع may يمكن أمكن might must يجب shall should يجب أيضا لكن هون بنحكي عن القوة. أوكي will سوف and would كمان إلها استخدامات تختلف. has to يجب have to يجب وماضيهم had to. نعيد. What are the modals? These are all of them, all the modals. Okay can, could, may, might, must, shall, should, will, would, has to, have to, and had to. I've written these examples for you. The verb after them must be base. ركز معي يا مس. الفعل بعد هاي الكلمات دائما مجرد وتأتي مع all the pronouns مع جميع الضمائر. Examples. It might rain tomorrow. Might يمكن. You should go to the doctor. يجب. You should go. I'll travel to Mars. Will معناها سوف. عندنا note. What's the note there? Modal verbs are always followed by a base form verb. دائما فعل مجرد. Okay? A base form verb. هاي فكرة رئيسية أو فكرة عامة about the modal verbs. لكن إحنا today we will study some of them. مش كلهم بدنا ندرس. واللي أنت مطالب فيه اللي راح أشرحه في هذا الفيديو. Okay? Now look at this diagram. عندنا هذا التوضيح. Okay. Modal verbs. عندنا degrees of certainty and uncertainty. Certainty يا مس معناها تأكيد. شو معنى certainty؟ I write it for you above it. Okay. Certainty تأكيد. Okay. Certainty تأكيد. عكسها uncertainty غير مؤكد. يعني إما أنا مؤكد أو متأكد من هذا الفعل أو من القيام بهذا الشيء أو غير متأكد. أوكي معناته certainty. what's the meaning of certainty؟ متأكد. uncertainty غير متأكد. أوكي uncertainty غير متأكد. أوكي again certainty متأكد و uncertainty غير متأكد. طيب هلا أنا أعطيتك نسب. أوكي now must 100% يعني must 100% يعني أنا متأكد 100% إنه this thing happens. أوكي يجب. could 70% 70%. أوكي might يمكن. what 40%. can't احنا بنعرفها لا يستطيع، لكن هون بدنا نستخدمها بمعنى الاستحالة، إنه this thing won't happen. أوكي مش ممكن إنه يكون هنا 0%. طبعا يا مس برجع بعيد وبأكد إنه these words according to the meaning of the sentence. دائما عندها فيها trick، فيها خدعة إلك، إنه these words you have to understand the meaning of the sentence. لازم تفهم معنى الجملة عشان تعرفه. We have also could and can't. There's the meaning of them or the using of them. Speculate about the possibilities and impossibilities. Speculate تخمن لي أو تعطيني معنى. I write the meaning. Possibilities احتمالات. Okay possibilities احتمالات and impossibilities استحالة. Okay impossibilities استحالة. Something possible to happen and something is impossible to happen. Excellent. Could gives me the meaning of possibility but can't gives me the meaning of impossibility. وهذا الشيء اللي شرحناه هون في هذا العمود. Okay could gives me the meaning of possible and can't gives me the meaning of impossible things. Okay now I've written some sentences. Now look at the first sentence. There must be cheese in the fridge. I bought some yesterday. ليش كتبنا must be؟ لأنه I bought some yesterday. أنا متأكد there must be cheese in the fridge because I bought some yesterday. I have given. Okay. Sammy could win the match. He trained well. Could استخدمنا could بنسبة 70 إنه I saw Sammy was training. شفته بتدرب عشان هيك استخدمت could win. It might rain today. I'm not sure. أنا مش متأكد. It might rain today. 40%. ليش؟ لأنه أنا maybe I didn't see the weather forecast or there are no clouds in the sky. The weather is a bit cold, so I used might rain. He can't be Ali. Ali traveled yesterday. Okay. Can't be. ليش هون حكينا can't في مستحيل؟ لأنه Ali traveled yesterday. سافر امبارح. So he can't be Ali. Okay. Okay. Now go to your student's book, page number 19. We have exercise, and this exercise is an it's a practicing for this grammar. Okay, go to your student's book. Okay, now exercise number 6. Grammar. A modal verb of possibility must, might, could and can't. Okay, read the exercise carefully. The modal verb in the wrong place. إيش يعني wrong place؟ في المكان الخطأ. بدنا نستبدل المودال verb put them back in their positions. بدنا نحطهم في مكانهم الصحيح. Okay? We have a conversation between Salim and Tarek. Salim is talking to Tarek. Salim and Tarek are at the train station محطة القطار to pick up their aunt. بدهم ياخذوا عمتهم أو خالتهم. They think they have seen her. توقعوا إنه they have seen her. Salim, that can't be Aunt Selma. I can't see her very well. Okay, now look at this. I'll give you 5 minutes to think about the exercise, okay? Tarek, it might be her. She's very early. Her train doesn't arrive until a 7:15. طيب هون قطارها ما راح يجي من هون للساعة 7:15. It might be her. Okay. 3. It must be someone who looks like her. Who looks like must be someone شخص يشبهها. 4. It could be her. She's looking at us. ممكن إنها تكون هي. She's looking and walking toward بتمشي باتجاهنا. I'll give you 5 minutes to think. Okay? Now, Salim and Tarek. Okay? That might be. ليش حكينا might؟ لأنه احتمال. I can't see her very well. So, نسبة الاحتمال هون في هذا الشيء 40%. Excellent. It can't be her. Can't هون مستحيل. ليش؟ She's very early. Her يعني her train doesn't arrive until 7:15. يعني ما راح يجي حتى 7:15. معناته الوقت ايش ماله متقدم. Okay? It could be someone who looks like her. هنا 70%. ليش حكينا could؟ إنه حدا بيشبهها. Okay. It could be someone like her. Okay? 4. It must be her. She's looking at us, smiling and walking towards us. أكيد هي because she's looking and walking towards us. Okay? Now go to exercise number 7. Exercise number 7. Choose the correct modal verb in the dialogue. نفس النمط. Okay يا miss. Now, exercise number 7. Choose the correct modal verb in the dialogue. I'd like a cheese sandwich. There can't or must be some in the fridge. I bought some yesterday. نفس الإكزامبل اللي في الشرح حكيناه. معناته إيش بدنا نستخدم؟ There must. ليش؟ Because I am sure I bought yesterday. اشتريت امبارح. معناته there must. Excellent. Where's Nadia? She might or can't be at the library. She always goes there after school. She might. Excellent. Because she. Yes, excellent. She always. لأنه أنا عندي always دائما بتروح بعد المدرسة. معناته she might be. 3. I don't know where my phone is. I can't. It can't ولا could be at work. You didn't take it with you this morning and you were using it last night. انت ما جبته معك اليوم and you were using it last night. So what's the answer? Excellent. It can't be. مستحيل انه يكون في العمل لانه I didn't see it with you. Okay? This research box. Okay, now these are the answers of our grammar lesson. The grammar of this unit is easy and it's understandable. سهل انك تفهمها وسهل انك تحل عليها. بس يا مس اهم اشي انك تعرف معنى الجملة according to the meaning of the sentence. Okay? According to the meaning of the sentence. We have a research box. It's your homework. which is the softest precious stone, which is the hardest one. This is your homework, and you will try to think about it and give me the answer. Okay, now go to your activity box. We will answer grammar to make sure that you understand all the details of this grammar part. Okay, now choose the correct modal verb. Look at that old car. I wonder how much it costs. It must or can't be expensive. It's in old poor or in a very poor condition، يعني حالتها سيئة جدا. So مستحيل تكون غالية. Okay, go to A. شوف. Oh dear, we're a bit late. Oh dear, we're a bit late, or we are a bit late. We might or can't miss the bus. We might. Excellent. We might miss the bus. احنا ممكن انه نفقد or يروح علينا الباص. Never mind. If we walk really quickly, we must or we could or we must be there on time. Must be because أنا حطيت لك جملة الشرط. إذا أسرعنا راح نكون. I am what? I'm sure. متأكد من هذا الشيء، عشان هيك حطينا إيش يا مس؟ حطينا must. Where's mom? I'm not sure. She can't be home because her bag is here. Can't ولا must؟ طب عشان تتها موجودة، هذا الدليل إنه her bag is here، معناته she must be home. She must be home. Okay. Must. She can't be in the kitchen or she might be in the garden or must. شو بنختار؟ إما في الكيتشن or in the garden، معناته might and might. Excellent. I can't find my pen. Look in your pencil case. It can't be there or it might be there. Pencil case المقلمة، معناته it might. Okay, excellent. It isn't in there. It must be in the classroom or it might be in the classroom. مش موجود في معناته excellent. It must be in the classroom. Okay. Now go to exercise number 3. Now go to exercise number 3. Read the situation and complete the sentences with one of the following: must, could, might, or can't. You see your neighbor running out of the house to school. School starts in 5 minutes. He must be late. Excellent. 2. You receive a postcard in the summer from your friend. It has a French stamp. She be in France on holiday. She must. Excellent. معناته شو بنحط هون؟ She must. You see a watch on a desk at school. Hala said, I can't find my watch. Ali is looking for his new watch too. The watch be Hala's and it be Ali's. So, excellent. It could and could. هون بنحط could في الفراغين. could كمان هنا could. وبقدر أحلها في هاي المعنى هون كمان might. يعني ممكن أنها تكون كمان might. Okay? You haven't seen any lights on your neighbor's house for a week and their car isn't there. They can't be. ممتاز. مستحيل انهم يكونوا في البيت لانه ما في اضاءة، سيارتهم مش موجودة. So they can't be home. They be on holiday. maybe طالعين إجازة. So they might be on holiday. Excellent. He worked all day. طول النهار بيشتغل. He be tired. شو بنختار؟ He also must. He must be tired. There is a red fruit bowl on the table. It red fruit يا مس فواكه حمراء. بي بنانا طبعا مستحيل تكون بنانا لأن البنانا صفرة. شو بنحكي؟ It can't be banana sorry. You need a calculator for your maths homework. It in your school bag. It could be in your school bag. It could be in your school bag. That's all for today. I hope you understand the lesson. Thank you and thanks for listening.